So both the Osmo Pocket 4 and the Avata 360 are creeping closer to their rumored launch dates, and you can tell because leaks are suddenly everywhere, and with that, you've got people tossing fake photos into the mix just to stir things up. The latest example, someone posted a leaked Osmo Pocket 4 image and later even a quick video on X, and the moment you look at it, you know it's been cooked up by AI. The lighting is off, the screen is on the opposite side, facing away from the user, the proportions don't line up, and honestly, once you notice one flaw, the whole thing falls apart. A couple of accounts even called it out themselves, and the reliable folks on X shut it down pretty quickly. And yeah, your own eyes are really all you need to confirm it. So for anything legit, stick to trusted sources, or you could just hang out here with us, that works too. Now, outside of the fake stuff, not a whole lot of fresh info has dropped. The question everyone's still stuck on is the sensor size. DJI is reportedly deciding between a 1-inch setup or a 1/1.1-inch setup for the Pocket 4. What we are pretty confident about is dual sensor support. That's been hinted at in almost every early leak. There's also this rumor floating around about a variable aperture, but honestly, that one feels unlikely. What does seem real is what we've seen from earlier images. The Pocket 4 is expected to keep its main display, but also add a second screen on the front. And that's a huge deal if you shoot yourself a lot. No more awkward angles, no more guessing where the frame is, just glance at the front, adjust, and go. Some people are also talking about improved gimbal movement, smoother panning, maybe even full 360-degree rotation, or at least more fluid stabilization. Nothing solid yet, but it's definitely a direction DJI could take. And then there's the body. The Pocket 4 is rumored to get a slimmer frame, 2 new physical buttons, and it might drop down to around 116 grams compared to the older model's 179 grams. Basically, lighter, easier to handle, and more creator-friendly. Most of the chatter points to a launch around December 18th, 2025. So yeah, it's getting close. Peace.